Hey, guys, welcome to the to download channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make an account in REDnote without the phone code verify. First, search the REDnote or Xiaohongshu on your app store, and download it. After you finish to download, then click open button. Next, choose Fail on and mobile. It'll appear the important notice card. Then click agree. Also it turns notifications choice. Choose allow.
Then it'll has 3 options to log in REDnote.
Click the Apple to log in. Your Apple account name will be the default ID name for the first choice you select. Now you have a REDnote account without phone code verification. Pretty simple, right? Then, you just need to follow the app's prompts to fill in your personal information. That's all for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.